The Supreme Court ruling is a big blow to Governor Greg Abbott and now suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton. But this does not stop and will not stop the state of Texas from suing the Biden administration over the border. Friday, the U.S. Supreme Court struck down a lawsuit by Texas and Louisiana saying the Republican-led states have no standing to challenge a policy narrowing federal immigration enforcement.
They're not written by raging liberals. The majority is written by Brett Kavanaugh. The concurrence is written by Neil Gorsuch. These are conservative thinkers applying conservative principles.
Governor Greg Abbott and Texas Republicans have continued to spend billions of dollars on stopping illegal border crossings. Most recently, Abbott announced a plan to put a floating border wall in the Rio Grande. After the ruling, Governor Abbott called the decision outrageous. Constitutional lawyer David Cole disagrees.
Here you have the Supreme Court 8-1, different reasons, but agreement on the outcome that this isn't your fight, Texas.
It's no secret there has been a surge of migrants on the southern border. Cole says what the Supreme Court is saying is that there isn't enough manpower and money from the federal government to deport the high volumes of immigrants by following every policy set by Congress.
Congress has told ICE to do a lot of things, and then it hasn't given them the money to do those things. And so there's the Biden administration, and really any administration charged with administering the immigration laws, has to make some tough decisions about what they're going to prioritize and what they're not going to prioritize.
Cole does not think this will slow the Texas Attorney General's office from suing the Biden administration over the border, but he says this ruling should be seen as a caution light.
They've got to take this into account as at least a yellow light that maybe you don't want to push everything quite as hard as you possibly can, because at the end of the day, you may go all the way to the Supreme Court and have nothing to show for it.
Ken Paxton tweeted moments ago, he said that this was a pass for the Biden administration in his opinion, and he said that he was disappointed in the Supreme Court. Again, that ruling 8-1 in the conservative majority Supreme Court.
All right.